As an example, I'll solve this problem. If f takes an input x and gives us an output of 2x squared minus 3, find f of 5 and f of minus 2. So it means that if we put in 5, what are we going to get? If we put in minus 2, what are we going to get? This is what the question is really asking. So as our solution, we say that f of x, the function takes in an input of x and it gives us an output of 2x squared minus 3. Therefore, f of 5 is wherever we see x, we put 5 squared minus 3. And this gives us 225 minus 3. This is equal to 50 minus 3. And it's equal to 47. So f of 5 is equal to 47. This is the A part of the question. Now, if we take the B part of the question, it says we should find f of minus 2. F of minus 2 equal to 2. Wherever we see x, we put 2, negative 2, squared minus 3. And this gives us 2 times 4 minus 3. This equal to 8 minus 3. And the final answer is 5. So f of minus 2 equals 5. This is how we solve these problems. So you can try your hands on if f of x equal 5 minus x squared plus x, find f of 2 and f of minus 2. You can leave your answers in the comment section below.